Hello, welcome to my channel, Sewing at Home Mom. Today I would like to teach you how to fix these annoying holes in the t-shirts. And these are like extremely annoying and you can get them anywhere. I've got a few items here that I will be fixing today. So I got my husband's t-shirt, my t-shirt. What you need to do is to match your sewing thread the best you can with your item that you will be fixing. And for the t-shirt fabrics, the fabric's pretty thin, so you need a fine type of thread. You don't want to go with too thick. Polyester is fine, or the cotton one if you can find. This one's 68 polyester and 32 cotton, but anything you can find that's thin and fine, that works. So I will be matching my thread, like I said, to the garment to go as close as I can. This one, in my opinion, is too dark. I will be going with the lighter aqua color. Always remember to start sewing from the inside of the garment. Got my needle, my thread, and I don't connect these two. I make a knot only on that one end of the thread, see? The other one is loose, because the thinner, the better, the less it's gonna be visible. Find yourself. See how when the hole is, it depends how it is. This one's pretty big. There is another way to fix that with them, which I'm going to show you later on. This one I will be fixing it just simply with the thread. So you will try to grab, pinch just a tiny bit of fabric, not too much because you don't want to make it too bulky on the other side. I just noticed there is another hole which I didn't see before, so I can fix this one with the other techniques. So you just pinching it tiny bit. I hope you can see that on my camera. I'm not sure if it's focusing well. And pull gently. And again. If you're afraid you might poke your finger, you can always put something underneath. Any cardboard, any glass. Glass would work. But I find it okay for me. However, I am actually going to stop the video and grab a glass to show you that it can be done. It might be easier for some of you. So far, this is how it's been looking. You can see it right there. Tiny mark. Okay. I have my glass, just a cup, mug, coffee mug, tea mug, anything you have, something that's nice and round. A bottle could work, but I find a glass better because you can insert your fingers inside and then put the garment, the clothing on top of it, and then you just go. Like I said before, I rather do it without anything like that. But if you find it that it's been poking you, the needle, this technique is fine to be used. So it works well. I rather do it without it, so I will put that away. I like my fingers when I can feel it, the needle going through the fabric. I feel like I have better control over my job, over this thing. So gently pull, not too hard, just gently. And you just go round and round and round. You're not doing any, you're not inserting the thread inside the loop, anything, the buttonhole stitch, you're not doing anything like that, no. You're just pulling it, just a simple stitch. Now let's see how it is from the other side. So it looks better. So that's one. That hole was pretty big. So now to finish that edge, what you're gonna need is finish it. Yeah, now you will have to create the knot and you have to go through the loop. So I will do that a couple times and that should work fine. That's it. So I will get back to that hole on the other side, on the back of the shirt. Here is another way how to fix that hole without, you can do it without stitching it, without any sewing. However, I don't recommend doing that. It's a quick fix. Yes, you can do it, but it's gonna last you most likely through just a one wash. But you will require to have some interfacing on hand with some glue on one side, and that glue has to be applied between the hole and that interfacing. So you have to put the smooth side down and make sure the glue will stick to the wrong side of the t-shirt. So the inner side of the t-shirt should go on top of the glue. And now you have to play with that hole. You have to adjust it, pull it in, press it in as much as you can to make it smaller and smaller. See, I got it about, let me zoom that in. You can still see the hole. It's not like it's going to go away. It will be here. It just won't be as big as before. Play with it until you're happy with the minimum. So like I said, the hole will be still here, it just won't be as visible as before. It's not as bad as before, but it's there. It's not, you know, showing through, but it's there. Like I said, I don't recommend that. It's a quick fix. You can do it, of course. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go over that and just quickly close that hole. This is the best way. Now you've got like a double protection, I'll call it. We've got the interfacing, and we're gonna fix it with a thread. Can't get better than that. The interfacing is covering it. I have to get my needle right on the edges. It gets a little bit more complicated, but don't worry about it. We will be just doing it extra careful. And make sure you pull it downwards so the seam will get inside. So pretty much I would say it's the same way, but again, this is just a quick fix. If you don't have any needle, no thread, but you do have interfacing, which I doubt. Curious how that's gonna look on the other side. Let's see. Not bad. Okay, let's press this. Not bad. And then the other side. That's the other hole that we fixed. And we can repeat the same thing from the right side. On the right side. Perfect. So yeah, that's the hole. It's used to have been here. And it's gone. That's shirt number 1. And I would say that technique is the most efficient. All you need is a piece of thread, a little bit, not too much. Takes you, let's say, a minute to do it. A little bit more at the beginning, but then at the end, it for sure, once you get used to it, it can be very easy and a fast way to fix it. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please like it and subscribe. Share it, of course, so other people can learn how to fix their clothes, how to mend their clothes.